Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I will show you how to perform speed tests of the connected internet in Windows 11 running computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the settings and just click on this home button. And now on the right side, you will see here Windows Update. Just click on it. So kindly check if there is any newer updates for your respective Windows 11 operating system. If you're not sure, then just click on the check for updates and check if any update is available for your respective Windows 11 running computers or not. So once you have performed this Windows update, just place your mouse cursor on your Wi-Fi or internet connection icon on your respective taskbar. Just right mouse click on it. Now you will see here one new option, perform speed test. So just click on it. Now just click on the start and wait for a few seconds until the complete process is done. So finally the process has been completed. Now you can see your ping value for your respective internet connections and the download speed as well as the upload speed. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily perform speed tests of the connected internet in Windows 11 running computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.